Dear Wisdomizers, welcome, welcome. It's Friday. The full moon is going to hit the humanity really soon, and we're going to wrap up this week with whale radar. Today is a special day because we are not only going to see what's going on in the social radar, but the whale radar is the new feature of the Wisdomized intelligence, and we're going to cover how you can actually utilize this feature. It is premium though. You have to have Wisdomise upgraded version, which will cost a little bit more, but this is actually worth it. And especially if you are, I would say, seasoned crypto degen, you probably want to see what's going on behind the whale's thoughts and thought processes. So I'm finding this useful already, and briefly just touched on this yesterday as well, but I guess we're gonna have a much better overview of the wealthy wallets and top tokens chosen by the whales. But regarding the full moon, so there is a story about it. So full moon is very specific date every single month it happens, and 1 or 2 days people are going crazy and financial markets are actually acting irrational. So one of the top traders that I know, he actually avoids trading on those days, and he has seen historically that this event is actually the most meaningful and most impactful of them all when it comes to predicting the aggressive price movements, either up or down. It doesn't really matter because there can be many outcomes. And I actually put into community as well the chart or the price action of every single full moon event, and you can see that there has been a clear increased volatility event happening in real time. So let's be fingers crossed that it will be favorable for the crypto markets and we see a good rise in the price instead of the dump. So without further ado, I'm already here on the weather radar. We're not going to dive into any of the um, uh, chart patterns today. We're just going to analyze and see what's happening here. So again, you have here top tokens chosen by the whales, and here we have an option to get into 20 per page, and as you can see, there are around 260 different cryptos available. And what you can also see is that you can have these networks here, so Solana, Ethereum, Ton, and Base. And given that the attention currently is actually switching to Base, we can see what's happening here in this section. So we have 200 million of buy volume and sell volume zero by the whale. So we're probably seeing at one specific wallet that has scoped up 200. Okay, I want to see this. This doesn't make sense. 200 million worth of token in one hand, Land Wolf. And again, DexScreener is one of the best ways you can utilize your Wisdomise intelligence platform, and there is indeed a good price actions being visible. So this token has done almost 80% rise since May 2024, and it has been really steadily growing, which is relatively beautiful to see, to be fair. But when it comes to the buy volume versus sell volume, then this is probably like anomaly, I would say. But what I can see from here as well is so there are two things in general. You want to see how many of these smart wallets have been buying in the last 7 days and selling. So you want to see more, ideally more than one big wallet buying this and selling, and less than that selling this. So we have something called Boys Club Base, which could be interesting because um, there are two big wallets actually buying this, but again we can't really go past the DexScreener. We need to check the thing itself always and forever. So we're looking at the base. As you can see here is the base. Mm, the volume is too low for market cap. We need to see the market cap, liquidity, and the volume. So if there is something that's being scooped up by the whales, then this could mean something. Okay, let's see. So there is 3K. Some whale has brought this token for 3K basically. That's what it says. Um, is this a bullish sign? It could be. I mean, given that how how amazing this chart looks, and this is the same trade that I've been telling you guys, right? So it has a pump, then it's a long-term accumulation, and now we're seeing that this could potentially go into other um, direction than downside, and also we have some sort of flag pattern here as well, like a little push up from 300,000 to 1.2 million now correction. And I mean, this could run actually. Base season is coming, so I would like to check this base. It has 3 contracts actually. Let's see what's happening on the Solana. But nevertheless, it looks like there might be something. It could be. It could be definitely something. But again, let's dive into more. So we have agent seasonality is obviously coming, and we want to see something that has been bought up by in large quantities by the whales, right? So we can see wrapped super OET, okay, super native. We want to see a clear commitment, and clear commitment we can see Coinbase wrapped beats. Okay, let's just check the what's going on Solana, for example, because we have here. The only thing that's probably missing is the fact that we could be able to um, um, make it ascending or descending, so we can have the best assets. But from what I see is Mao and Goatseus Maximus is Deutzo. Okay, well this looks good. If a whale bought this crypto for 100,000, then this actually catches my eye. And it's as simple and straightforward as it is. I mean, we still have this Solana season that is looking good um, to for the continuation. Okay, well, I see here a large wallet has brought this thing up for quite heavily. So let's see what market cap it launched. So it launched at 1 million, went right to 40, and now it's being accumulated. Okay, well, again, we do the same process all over again. We always want to check the site and see what's up. Okay, so we have low level systems. This is not a meme coin. Thank God. Okay. It looks like it could be something. I mean, if this whale knows something, then there is probably a reason why this thing went directly to 40 million on the first day of launch in December the 1st. So wouldn't be surprised at all. But for now, I would keep on looking for a bit at least. So with this in mind, we have two whale addresses being active. I'm gonna just make a note for myself that I will share these in real time as well. But most bought, most held. Okay, let's see. Let's what's actually most held, and if we will find some relevant information from here. Obviously, we're not really interested in those like large caps to see what is being held unless it has a clear advantage or imbalance between buyers and sellers. So we're looking at, okay, Solana is evidently going to go to a really good place in the upcoming months. In my opinion, there is no doubts about it. Solana is still one of the top narratives this upcoming season. But again, I'm looking at more. What I'm looking is the imbalance of between buyers and sellers. I want to see something that's being bought up by a large number of wallets and sold by a small number of wallets. So we have this K on Acropolis. Okay, so they probably just rebranded. They have one warning, which is no proxy fund. This is completely fine. But again, it has too many contracts. So one of the ways how I would personally manage this is most held by whales, and I would look for imbalances between buyers and sellers, where I want to see a large amount of buyers and a small amount of sellers. Not really balanced, so I want to see clear advantage on buying this. I'm buying something that the whales have held, and when it comes to buying, then obviously I want to see the volume, and buying volume would be much higher alongside with buys per whales. So from here, I could see Pepe probably going to go higher. Indeed, I mean it's an easy hold and buy because it's a top meme. It's a multi-cycle meme, and it's not going anywhere. So if the meme coin season really comes into place, then we're probably seeing this higher than it is even now, even though it's already a high market cap, right? So we see Veracity has similar. So there is 500,000 buying powers, zero selling power, and four large wallets have been accumulating this. Let's see if this has a good chart for us to show for it to show for the for the for the if is there a technical reason to buy this, or where are we? Yeah, as you can see, the price already went up quite significantly. It's oh, this chart is actually really good. That's exactly what I'm looking for. This is the same box trade basically that I have shown. So this is a long-term accumulation zone, 1, 2, and the third one would go to 200 million. Yeah, that's the trade. I can see right away. This will do pretty good returns, I'm quite sure. So we'll stop here. Three is enough for us. We don't need too much. We don't even need the site because this is a multi-cycle crypto. It's been around for ages, and it already reached 1 billion market cap as well. So it's currently sitting at 63, and that's going to be, these three are going to be shared in the community as well. But again, always do your own due diligence. Never rely on anyone else, right? But wealthy wallets, we're talking about wallets per se that are here, and I would say that this is something that we will analyze in the upcoming video. But for now, you can see that there is a clear evidence of trading versus holding tokens. So here we have these networks, wallet network, and then here we see the big like the information that we actually want to have on our list. And yeah, that's the thing with those balances. You never really know which kind of like wallets they are. Some of these like 7 billion, it can be easily a market maker's wallet or someone's like insanely wealthy, but it seems like he only he's a meme coin billionaire. Can't say that to too many people, right? But this is something that, as you can see, they don't do many trades per day. They rarely move their their tokens, and majority of them just buying and holding and doing nothing, right? It's trading volume, um, buy and sell. Like what you can have here is really the top holdings that they're holding, and this would be my best way how to analyze them, and also trading versus holding. So it's useful information, but I would personally want to have a bit more, and this would be like maybe a larger selection per se, but again, it's just released, so it's going to be constantly updated as well, so it's not going to obviously be limited in any sort of form or shape, but it's just going to be this for probably a few more days, and we're going to have a lot of more features here, so it's kind of a beta version right now as per I'm seeing. So yeah, that's in a nutshell how I would personally see it. But I guess these top tokens chosen by whales are um, is where the value is being provided. So that's it for today. This is a really brief introduction about how to use the whale rudder, and we're gonna dive into it much more in the upcoming weeks. In fact, we're gonna use it on a day-to-day basis. Moving forward, we're gonna use this as a confirmation as well. So thank you so much for watching. I wish you have a good weekend and enjoy your full moon. I hope we're fingers crossed we're gonna go to the upside instead of downside. So all yours. See you in the community. Bye bye.